up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally mounted up our 21-inch wheel on our 2023 CVO. Now that thing was looking great, but those wheels are actually for that bike. So I think we might put in an order for this bike, man. We'll have to see about that. Meanwhile, man, I've been wanting to try this new camera setup out, man. So I want to ride this bike with you guys, show you guys a little bit more about it, and see what you guys are going to get, man, because you guys know I'm giving away my 2023 CVO Road Glide for only 23 bucks. Yes, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go cop you anything on the website, man. Anything on the website, man, and you'll get yourself 23 entries for 23 bucks, man. You guys know what time it is. Meanwhile, I don't want to hold you guys too much longer. It's time to get this show on the road. Reese's Pieces is about to go, and the Texas bike is about to go. In the meantime, I'm about to hop on this thing and hit the road, Jack. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. Let's see what we got. Let me not forget my handy dandy nice hats. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, man, go ahead and give your boy a nice thumbs up. Let me put that bad boy right there. Put that bad boy right there. Ooh, I got my gloves on deck. Okay, I'm gonna save them for when it really get cold. Let's see what we got here, man. Come on, man. Push the starting up. Push the starting up. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Ooh. And it's not even in sport mode. If I look over here to my right, you'll see the S down there change. Well, it changed to an S rather. And then, like I said, we do got it in sport mode right now. Let's see if we can change up the view. See if we can change up the view. Let's go to display. I want the layout to be on cruise because I want to see what else I got. There we go. All right. That was perfect. Gotta go. Literally just hit that corner and you gone. It's just such a beast of a bike. Oh, there you are. Hello. Yes, I'm on the Big Daddy slide. It's nothing like it. Woo! I ain't gonna hold you. This thing's a freaking beast. Definitely a beast, man. Gotta love it. What y'all think? I hope it's not too much wind out there. Wait. So, what's up, guys? We are back here on our 2023 CVO Road Glide, man. Actually, it's my first time riding with you guys in this form of fashion, as you can hear me as I'm riding. So I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. I hope the wind is not too much. We are on the freeway right now, big slide. Now, it is F1 weekend here in Las Vegas. We might go to the strip and see what the F1 strip is looking like, because you guys know they got it all blocked off. We might go down there and see what's up. Then again, you never know, man. We're gonna keep this thing on the road and keep it going, keep it locked in. I can't wait. But we riding though, we slide, man. Got a couple more exits and we really gonna get this show on the road, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This leather jacket, by the way, is doing its purpose right now. I don't feel no coldness, no nothing up top. The only thing I feel cold is probably like down there on my legs, but it's really not that bad, honestly. It's just a really cool ride. I got no gloves on, got my heated grips going. Man, y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. But they said targets. Let's see what we got here, man. Let's see if we can hurry up and stop and turn this traction off. Let's see. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can turn this traction off, man. Haha, traction is off. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I feel so good riding this thing, man. We only got 387 miles on this bad boy. Brand new. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. Let's go back to, like I said, this whole infotainment system is freaking dope. You got like Apple CarPlay type thing.
Really, really dope. Go ahead and pull out. Okay. Let's see what this music is sounding like, because I don't want to hear this thing anymore.
All these little lame
Yes, sir. Big Daddy. Yeah, I think that's the street where I wrecked at. I actually think that's the street where I wrecked at. Should we go back and see the street where I wrecked at, y'all? I think I'm gonna go back and see the street that I wrecked at. Because that's kind of what kicked this whole thing off, man. It kicked this whole shebang off. So we're gonna turn around and see exactly what happened there. And I don't even know if this is the street right here or not. I think it's the next street that I just passed. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see what we got. Okay, give me some here. Okay, little ooh and ah effect. Little ooh and ah effect. Little ooh and ah, just a little bit. Just a little bit, man. Just a little bit of the ooh and ah effect. Okay, you got the C8 out. She got the C8 out. All right, so now, as we turn on this street, man, y'all remember, we hit it last time, like, whoa. We was flying down this street. And we didn't even see that it was a freaking island at the end, so we literally just flying. Fast as heck. When we slow down, because that thing came out of nowhere last time. I was flying. I was like, ooh. Oh yeah, it's a Rizzy. Dang. They actually changed it into all rocks right here. It's all rocks. It used to be grass and a tree and everything right here. That's nuts. It used to be grass, a tree. I actually think the markings is still right there. That's nuts. I wouldn't have been wanting to flip into that. That's for sure. That's crazy. They took out the whole trees, put rocks all right there. Yeah, my kneecaps and everything would have been done. Let's see what else we got though. Let's slide. Come on, don't you do it? Don't you do it? Okay. Yep, definitely wouldn't. Yep, definitely wouldn't run on them rocks right now. All in all, really dope bike though, man. Really comfortable. Like I said, we got the heated grips on, so we slide right now. Ooh, I barely slide out a little bit. Okay, it got a little pep, a little action on it. Got a little action on it, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Definitely got a little action on. Okay. Keep going. Little ooh and ah effect. Little ooh and ah effect. Ooh and ah effect. I'm out of here. Woo! She go. I ain't gonna hold you. She definitely go. She definitely goes. y'all think about it so far, man. Let your boy know in the comments below. 23 entries in for a chance to win if you buy anything on the website right now. Everything on the website is $23. $23, that is, man.
I'm back up on that crazy shit. By the Psycho Maniac, I'm Luke Skywalker with this Glock playing laser tag, big lasers.
Yes, sir. We sliding this junk, man. I ain't got my boots on today. I got my Jordans on. Is these Jordans or Nike ones? Yeah, I got my ones on, whatever they is. Got my things on today, man. But we sliding though. How y'all like it so far, man? This is actually just a test out video. Just testing this thing out. We're gonna see what we can get done. I already know at the strip it's gonna be so crowded, bro. Hello. Goodbye. Yes, sir. This thing feels like a beast. I'm telling you. This 121 is nice. 121, 20 twin. Yes, sir. It is a movie. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to go yay. I'm telling you, I can't wait. I'm trying to find somebody in traffic right now so I can see what they want to do. But ain't nobody in traffic right now. Ain't nobody in traffic right now, man. I'm trying to find somebody in El Trafico. You can't freaking split lanes out here. That's the weak part. So you just gotta sit back and relax and find something to do, because these lights is gonna be long as heck and all the above. But all in all, pretty nice bike though. Got the 121 on there, the black chrome on the pipes, Brembo up front, 19 up front CVO wheel. Just looks really good. CVO emblems and stuff everywhere, man. Everything just nice, you know what I'm saying? Everything looking real good. Okay, get out the way then. Thank you. I'm telling you, these grips are starting to kick in now. It's good when you freaking just can ride around and ain't gotta have them big old gloves on, man. You can actually enjoy it. You can actually enjoy that thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. The suspension on here is nice. It's just insane, man. Like, you can literally turn. I know real experienced riders, man. Y'all gonna really love this bike. Y'all know me. I ride less than all y'all. And the fact that it just feels so comfortable to me is just ridiculous. Come on, don't do it. That's why you gotta have some loud pipes on here, man. Gotta have loud pipes on here, dog. Gonna have to call you back, my brother. I'm on the bike right now. Yes, sir. Let's get on over here. Let's get on over here, man. What we doing, Jack? Okay, check it out. You hear me, buddy? You gonna hear me, buddy? Let's go. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing definitely pulls. I should do some pulls with y'all on the 131 now. Now that y'all can really, I think that'll be real fun. Ooh. Now that I think about it, man, I think that'll be real fun. Some pulls on the 131, just so you guys can really see, like, you feel me, how that thing pull. Cause this thing pull, but that thing pull a little bit different. We might be able to get something here at this light. Let's see. If you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like the video for your boy. Give me the thumbs up on that sucker. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Let's see. I was trying it. Hey, I was trying to get it out the I was trying to get it out the hole for you. I was trying to get it out the hole. You know, it had a little swerve to it. So if you throw like a nice sticky tire on this joint, I ain't gonna hold you. A nice sticky tire on here, and like I don't know, a nice sticky tire. Take the speed limiter off. I think it'll actually do a little something, man. You might actually have a nice little runner on your hands, that's for sure. What y'all think, man? Take the speed limit, unconnect the speed limiter, so now you ain't got no like real governor on it, I guess, or at least limiter holding it back right now. So it's gonna go higher than the 112 that it took me to. Oh, excuse me, I gotta get over. Sorry about all that. Sorry about all that. But yeah, if we take off the limiter, we can go a little bit faster and win a couple more races, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. We're gonna get this show on the road though. Gotta get over. Gotta get over. Okay, you going over there? I'm going right here then. Whoop, whoop. Come on, talk to me then. See, a 131 would have pulled a whole wheelie right there. He got the scatty. He got the scatty. He don't want no smoking. He don't want no smoke, man. No smoke, man. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. We got time. What movie is that from? Come on, dog. We got time. Anybody know the movie? Where that movie from? It's a Chris Tucker movie. That's the only hint I'm gonna give y'all. Only hint I'm gonna give y'all, boys. Like, boy, where you been? Let's slide, let's go. We got a little dip low. Get out the lane. What y'all doing over there? What y'all doing? Okay, you say go about 40 of them. Can't talk right now, brother. Looking real good. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, it popped up off the ground a little bit. Ooh, I can feel it popping up. That's the funny part. Oh my God, that's funny. I literally feel the bike popping up off the ground.